I've been with the company since 1987. Rotochopper started back in 1976 on Fred Peltz's dad's dairy farm. The original concept was grinding newspaper for animal bedding. We started grinding wood in about 1991, 92. We just figured if we could grind newspaper, we could grind wood. The idea for the first demo day, I think, was a group effort to say we need to get our customers here and then just show off our equipment, show off what we can do, and show off our facility and our people. As soon as the customers show up off the bus, we'll do a facility tour. It lasts about 40-45 minutes. They kick off the rest of the day with machines pulling in, starting the demos, and they'll last all day long. Full dinner, a lunch, drinks, and they can kind of lounge around and check out the shop, ask questions of all the employees. It's an open house.
There's a great story at Rotochopper. It's an organization that has a lot of excitement, a lot of passion about the equipment we build. I'm Tosh Brinkroff. I'm the CEO at Rotochopper. I've been here since March of this year, so about 6 months, and I'm excited to be at my first demo days. When folks talk about demo days, there's a lot of excitement. One, because customers get to see the equipment in action, and while you're here at demo days, you're going to meet a lot of great people, and I really encourage you to interact with your fellow customers. I'm excited to meet you personally, and I encourage you to come and introduce yourself, and love to get to know you on a personal basis.
You can see the majority of our product line. We try to run everything, and we try to run it to its fullest. Throughout the day, I'm available to talk to, love to hear from you, and I'd like to welcome you all to Demo Day.
It's just a great event for everybody involved, and they get to see the people that make the machines, that service the machines, how they're made. It's just a great experience. When you get here for Demo Day, look me up. I'll answer any questions. I'll point you in the right direction. We look forward to seeing you.
There's going to be a lot of activity. There's going to be a lot of cool things to see. My group will be handling the tours, so we'll be showing you everything in the factory, so we look forward to it.
As soon as you get off the bus and you see me, come over and ask me questions. It's going to be a great day, so welcome.